Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I want to take a quick second and say thank you for all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for anyone who subscribes or even just comes in to check out the knife, the EDC content. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you're here. I hope you enjoy it. Today we've got kind of a mystery unboxing. It can be one of a couple of things that have been sent or were told they were going to be sent to me. So let's just get into this and see who it's from. And it looks like it's from KANSEPT. Alright, so this is a knife KANSEPT sent in for me to check out, to review. It is interesting. It is the Fenrir, which is Greg Schob, as you guys might know. Same designer, Sparrow designs. This one's in actually Damascus titanium with some micarta. So this might be a new variation. And if I was not absolutely spastic, I could get it unwrapped. Let's see what we got here. I do like KANSEPT's packaging. Hadn't changed much over the years. You've got your warranty stuff, your care instructions, little troll candy, and then the little kind of interesting slip. Not my favorite, but it's cool, right? And then you've got the Fenrir, which I experienced briefly. My buddy A to Z EDC let me check out his. I didn't get to carry it. I didn't get to cut with it. This one I will actually get to test. I will actually get to EDC for a while. I've heard nothing but fantastic things about the Fenrir, which I think was designed by Sparrow knives, the same ones that did the what's the knife I'm trying to think of? The I'll think of it after the video. What a beautiful, beautiful knife. I love the purple micarta. I love the titanium accents. The Damascus looks beautiful, and I'm not a big typical Damascus fan, but I really like the look of that. I like the way that knife blends together. It is a colorway that I would personally choose. Looks like we've got a titanium lock bar with a steel insert looking right here. Thumb stud action, spectacular. Front flippers, money. Reverse flips, money. And then the ergonomics of this knife are something that at first the knife looked a little aggressive for me when it first came out. Whoa. Guys, I can tell you one thing. It's therapeutically slicey. Excuse me while I cut the sky. And the Fenrir, very pokey, very elegant design. I'm a fan. I had seen it before. I want to say A to Z's was all titanium. I really like the fact that this one is a micarta and titanium. You've got the Sparrow Knife Works Maker's Mark there, KANSEPT Maker's Mark there. Beautiful blade, done very, very well. The purple micarta and the black titanium, I think, set each other off very nicely with the black hardware. I don't know about you guys, because this is probably a love it or hate it licorice type of knife. I really, really like the way that this looks. I like the colorway they put together on this knife. I am not sure yet, but I will be before I review it, what the going price is going to be for this knife. Again, the micarta. Is it going to be more budget-minded? I don't know. Is it going to be more premium? I just really don't know until I get a little information, which I will, because this was just, again, a mystery unboxing. But the Damascus looks very unique. Sparrow knives, Maker's Mark, right there. KANSEPT right there. Ergonomically, this knife is surprisingly perfect. With the combination of the finger choil and the spoon, it's just an absolute thruster, absolute slicer. Great EDC knife. I will actually put this in my pocket and start carrying it. I've been carrying lately an oldie but a goodie, the Best Tech Sin, but I'll replace that off to the side, and I will put the KANSEPT Fenrir in my pocket. This particular variation is K103472 Damascus Blackwash titanium purple micarta. I think it's just gorgeous. Kind of gives me a Prince vibe. I'm feeling it in a big way. Really excited to try it out. Very thankful that KANSEPT sent it to me to check it out. It won't change my opinion of it. You guys have seen I've gone over the knife before in a short-term review that my buddy let me borrow, and really had kind of a fancy for the knife. Really liked it. So I don't expect there being any unique problems here, but we'll see. Might do a bearing swap on it, do some things like that, because I just got in some skiffs. So this one would be a good one to break down and swap out some bearings. But guys, this is the KANSEPT Fenrir. Just kind of a shorter video. I'm going to put it in my pocket. Clip looks kind of similar to my Best Tech Sin. But thank you for taking the time to check out the video. If you're still here and you're so inclined, if you would hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help me out. It'll also update you when I release new videos, go live, do things like that. But guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please do me a favor. Look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. Choose debate, not hate. And if you happen to be watching this on Monday, which is when it's going to release, Monday afternoon, tonight at 9:15 Central Time, I think it's 7:15 Pacific Time, Metal Mondays is live with Pocket Metal. I'll be joining him to hang out. And then tomorrow night, we will have our Insomniac Sit and Spin live stream at 10:15 p.m. Central. So I look forward to seeing you guys, hanging out, hopefully having a few more knives to be able to share with you by then. But guys, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. And all I ask is that you keep on keeping on. Keep your head up. Don't worry about what other people carry. No, it's all good. And guys, take care. Peace.